Yes, again I will mute all the participants. You should mute yourself and continue.
You unmute anybody,
Yes,
someone.
Yes, sir.
Or
yes.
you can unmute 3 persons, or you can unmute 1 person only, as you wish. No problem.
Please proceed. Please proceed.
Are 3 persons unmuted? Like, can I see their faces, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Please tell your names who are unmuted. Hi, Kalpesh ji. Please tell me the names of the persons who are unmuted. Can I see anyone's face? Or you can share only unmute one person only. And
Nagaraja.
Mr. Nagarajan, show me the face of Mr. Nagarajan here. Yes. Now, Mr. Nagarajan, wave your hand so I can interact with you, sir. Next thing.
Kalpesh Akhani.
Kalpesh Akhani. Yes, Kalpesh ji is a magician himself. I don't want. He is my friend, and he is a magician mentalist himself. So I
heartiest welcome, sir.
This will be a again unmute somebody else, please.
Sophia.
Yes. Anybody. Sophia. Please wave your hand so I can see who is there.
Sophia, please unmute yourself.
Share the. I cannot see the face unless until I can see. I cannot mind read her.
Nanda Deshmukh.
Nanda Deshmukh ji.
Yes. Professor Nanda Deshmukh, ma'am, please start your video.
Speaker.
You can unmute myself.
You can unmute and please put on the speaker view so I can see your face.
Yes. Harshada. Vaishnavi.
Am I visible?
Yes.
Who?
Harshada.
Good evening,
ma'am. Yes, I can see Harshada. Hi, Harshada, madam. Good evening.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Can you see me? Can you see me properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
This is an envelope here. This is usually I used to present gifts during the wedding session. My name has been written there, and this is the sealed. There is a seal there. You can see it's a sealed envelope. Okay, ma'am. I request you to think of any number between 1 and 9.
Very interesting.
Say me any number, madam. Think of it. Say me any number. What you thought?
I have to tell you the number.
Yes, you have to tell me.
6.
6. First number is 6. Ma'am, again tell me a number between 1 and 9 once again.
Do I have to tell you that?
Yes.
Hurry up.
4.
4. And the third number between 1 and 9?
8.
8. So you have written 6, 4, 8. You have told me this number freely at your choice. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. And if we total all of these, it comes to 18. Is it correct?
Right, sir.
Yes. I told you I have an envelope here, which is the seal as it is now, and I am going to break open the seal from here. And you can see there is only one paper there, nothing else. There is one paper, and the final total of there will be 18. Can you see the 18?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very
Thank
nice.
you, ma'am. So kind of you. Now, this was the opening remark. from me as in the opening remark in the session. Now I'll first proceed, friends, with the few magic items, and then I'll proceed to the mentalism. So here we begin with the few magic items, and I would like to show you my preparation already here. I will move my computer. You can see here my props. You can see my props here. A lot of props, and you can see this is a prediction board. There I have written many predictions and stick there. Can you see, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
See? Huh?
Yes.
Yeah. There are a lot of predictions there. I will give you a proper view. I think now you can see a lot of predictions have been written. Since I have affixed them here, because it's not a live show on stage. So you have to believe me. A lot of predictions are there of different items I am going to show you. And I will stick out from one by one from there as we proceed. Okay. So, in the first of all, I'd like to show you, look at my hands, and I pray Almighty God to give me something and see. He has obliged me by one silk item.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Badhiya.
And here is this silk hanky, small silk hanky is there, and you can see it here, sir. And if I, from where it has come, I want to send it back. Time machine, it has come from to me, and I want to send by time machine again there where it has come from there. So it's and
Wonderful, wonderful.
And where is gone? If you can watch my back pocket, I think you can watch. See my back pocket. It has appeared there, and now you can watch. I think it's in my back pocket. Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
It has. I have seen. It has appeared, disappeared in my watch pocket, and I would like to bring it out here from here. And friends, any magician must start with any magic band, and I have no magic band. So look here, 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
So now
wonderful.
my magic band is here. This is the bigger version, and this is the smaller version for the virtual show. And since now I have hypnotized and mesmerized, and you are going to see what I want to show you, and you listen what I want to listen you. Okay, friends, let's proceed further. Please unmute somebody else. Please unmute somebody else. I want different participants. And
Nisha Raghav. Nisha Raghav.
Yes, sir.
Nisha ji, are you there?
Yes, I am here.
Yes. निशा जी, जितनी जल्दी आप लोग पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे ज्यादा देखेंगे. अदरवाइज आफ्टर 1 hour I think I will close. So अगर जल्दी जल्दी पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे तो आप ज्यादा देखेंगे. निशा मैम, can you see the 5 names there? It's banana, mango, grapes, apple, and guava. Can you see?
Yes.
See, you can see it.
Yes.
So choose any 2 items for you. Choose any 2 items for you. What you have chosen?
Should I tell you?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes, I have chosen banana and apple.
Banana and apple.
Apple.
Please choose 2 items for me.
Okay.
Tell me.
Mango and apple. Mango and apple.
No, apple you have already chosen. Discard them.
Okay, some different. Mango and guava.
Mango and guava. And What is left?
Grapes.
Grapes are left. You have chosen yourself. You have to given to me, and you have left grapes yourself. I don't have any force on you. It is all your free choice.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's see. I have blanked this spot here, and
Yes.
I am going to burn a paper. I am going to burn a paper here. You see.
Yes.
And this is the cover, and this is still burning. And ma'am, what do you choose? Left for behind?
Grapes left.
Grapes left.
Yes. Very nice.
I have magical grapes, ma'am. Taste them.
Yeah.
Yes, these are magical grapes, but I have seen a plate below the cover.
Yeah. You have seen the plate below cover. Don't worry.
Yeah.
You are a good science enthusiast, so it doesn't matter me.
It's okay, but it's a good magic.
It's a good magic.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wonderful.
Now,
Thank you.
ma'am, I have here one empty box here.
Yes.
And a small empty box, and I am
Yes.
filling it with water.
Yes.
I am covering it with one paper. Okay.
Mhm.
And I am turning it over this one.
Right.
Okay.
Hmm.
And
No.
I am removing my hand from the paper.
Water is not dropping out.
Water is not going fine. It is science. It is
Yes.
science. It's surface tension.
Yes.
It's surface tension. But
Right.
when the science fails, the magic starts, and I am removing the paper also. Water is still there.
Yes. It's a magic.
Wonderful, wonderful.
And
Wonderful.
water is still there. Now it from my will it comes down.
Right. Thank you, Harish sir. I have already seen your magic
You
earlier.
have already seen my magic. Okay.
You're
So here,
on Science Communicator Group,
that's fine.
Mr.
And,
Tripathi.
let's see the one of the other things. And here I am dropping my Coca-Cola, and my hands are free.
Oh,
Nice.
My hands are free, and you can see it there. I am showing you some water. One more water thing. I have 3 glasses here. Give me one color, please. I have 3 glasses here, and I have this colored water here. So just see what happens. It goes in the upper glass. Can you see? The green
Yes.
color goes in the upper glass.
Clear.
Clear. And if I add other liquid, it should be mixed. But look what happens. This yellow color goes in the middle glass.
wonderful, wonderful.
Capturing the mind. Capturing the mind, Harish sir.
Sir, ma'am, you capture. And here comes the third. Here comes the third.
Yes.
Let me finish. Let me finish. Here comes the third. And
Going in
here goes the red one.
last one.
Oh, बढ़िया, बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया.
Wonderful.
And most of my friends will be thinking there is a connection here. There is a separate pipeline for the each glass, but it doesn't have so.
Wonderful,
No,
wonderful.
I am putting you all the 3 glasses, separately one by one.
Yes.
This is the glass 1. This is the glass 2, and this is the glass 3. All
Right.
separate. There are no pipes, and still the water does not mixes. Thank you.
Big clap for wonderful magic.
Again, you see, I have 3 glasses here, paper cups. Can you see it properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I am pouring some water in the middle glass. Okay? And keep watch on the glass with water. I am shuffling them. You must keep watch it. Where it is going, I don't know. Now, ma'am, what do you think? Where is the water?
Vaishnavi, answer. Meenakshi ma'am, please answer.
Is it in left? Is it in left or right or center? Whatever you want.
Middle, sir.
In the middle.
Turn the middle. Okay, I will turn the middle. Left is blank. Right is blank.
Middle
The
is
middle is
also
also blank. The middle is also blank.
Wonderful, wonderful. What a witty trick. Really magic. Fantastic magic.
Yes.
I have a book here. It's a very old book on Asia Spa. It has good pictures inside, all the advertisements and beautiful young ladies and beautiful gentlemen. And I have bought it many years back. You can see every page. I will turn every page for you. I think you can see properly. There is nothing inside. And now I am showing you another magic. I just give a magic pass here and seal the pages, all the pages here. And I have water here, and I am pouring here some water in the book.
हाँ,
The water has gone inside the book.
थोड्या वेळात येणार आहे. काय झालं?
और देखिए, again, there is nothing there. All pages are taken.
त्यांना प्रोग्राम सुरू आहे. तिचा एडिटेड प्रोग्राम प्रोफाइलला लिंक आहे ना, मेसेज मध्ये माझ्या.
All pages are clear. Nothing is there. Now,
सेंट मेल मध्ये पहा, मॅजिक शो सुरू झाला.
am I muted? Can you hear me?
Yes, Arishta.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Look,
sir.
look, you may be saying that there is some plastic bag or something and you have hidden from there. So I have shown you all the pages, but besides that, I am going to rotate this also. If there would have been any plastic bag, the water will come down. Again, I will rotate. And whenever I want, what I poured it was a simple water. But this is very hot in Rajasthan. So when I want a sharbat, I put a glass of water inside a book and I come out with a sharbat.
Wonderful, wonderful.
So it's a sharbat.
Colorful sharbat.
Wonderful, sir.
I don't think there are any younger child here, but this
Yes,
book,
yes. Niece of Srinara Hari sir is very much here.
Okay. So I am showing
Yes,
a
he is here.
magical color book here, and this is for the smaller children actually, but I think you will enjoy the same very much. Okay, I am showing you here. It's a plain book. See,
Yes.
it's a plain book, and ma'am, say abracadabra
Abracadabra.
and draw some cartoon pictures at your end. Have you drawn some cartoon pictures? Yes, very good. You have drawn some cartoon pictures and you are a very good cartoonist. And here comes the cartoons.
Wow.
Here comes the cartoons. Ma'am, now I again request you to say abracadabra and fill colors in the cartoons. Fill colors in the cartoons. Oh, yes, you are a good artist also. And here comes the colors in the book.
Wow.
Very good.
बढ़िया, बढ़िया.
And since you have to wrap it up, kindly erase all others. Erase everything. And here it goes, where it comes, where it goes.
Wow, wow, wow.
Wow.
I was a banker. You know, I was a banker. I worked in my life as a banker. So I am going to show you something with the bank notes. See here, I have one 500 rupees note here, and below it are the cards, different cards. Can you see the different cards?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Different,
Yes.
all cards are
Yes,
different.
sir.
Can you see? Once again, I will roll it. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And say abracadabra. Say abracadabra.
Abracadabra.
Yes, you are told abracadabra. And with the magical power of you, not mine, with the magical power of you, all the cards have changed to the 500 rupees notes.
Oh.
Wow.
Abracadabra, abracadabra.
You may say that you are shown from the one side and not from the other side. So from the other side also, I am showing you all the 500 notes. Not only
Oh.
this, not only this, I am showing you all as a fan, all 500 notes
Wonderful, wonderful.
from the front and back.
क्या बात है? Clapping,
Wow.
clapping.
इसको चाहिए 500 रुपए मेरे से बनवा लेना, मैं बना दूंगा.
Sure, sir.
Please go to Jaipur and collect the money.
Yeah, sure. I will NFT NFT to you. So here is a pen. Usually I show this on the stage, and here is a 100 rupees note. And what happens? I borrow a rupees 100 or 500 note from the audience, and when they give me the 500 note, and I just put it like that in between the pen. Can you see? In between the pen. Note has been penetrated with the pen. If I tear it from here, what will happen? If I pull it here from the pen, what will happen, ma'am?
It will be clear.
Suppose it's your note. Suppose it's your note. Will you allow me to tear it or not?
No.
Not at all.
No, sir.
Okay. Again, say abracadabra.
Abracadabra.
Yeah.
And now you can see and you can listen if you properly listen, you can hear the voice of tearing the paper also. Yes, abracadabra.
Oh. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful.
Very good, very good.
Wonderful.
I am going to teach you one magic. You can make it yourself. Okay. See, I have a big card here. It's 1. When I turn it over, it's 6. When I turn it over, it becomes
2.
3.
3.
When I turn it over, it becomes 4.
Yes.
Isn't it magical? Once again, I will show you. It's 1.
What?
Yes.
1.
It's 1. It's 6.
6.
Oh.
It's 3. It's 4. But
Yes.
there is no magic. You can prepare a card yourself. You can prepare a card yourself. Actually, what is happening, when
It
I show
has-
you 1, this side, this has 2 dots.
Yes.
Make 2 dots on a paper this way. And when I show you 1, I tell you like this. This is 1. And I hide this, the lower one. This behind that, I have 5 dots. And when I want to show you 6, I
6.
put my hand in the blank. Since I am working here and I know which side is the blank. So I put my hand at this blank side here and turn the card like this. This gives you an impression of 6. Our minds thinks whatever he wants to think. So you want to think at 6, it's 6. And,
What is hidden?
and again at the back, I can see it is the blank here. I put a hand here and I turn it like 3. So you can think it's a 3. And when it is back again, I put my hand over here and I show you as a 4. You can see, oh, my light has gone.
Yes.
Take your time, sir.
My
Yes.
light has gone. I think you will have to bear. I am working with the my son has provided me his mobile light. So you are taking this mobile light. Okay. So you have seen you can make a card yourself here anyway, and you can turn to anybody. But actually, what happens? What magician can do when there was a 1, 2, 6? He can make it really in the 6, and he can make it really 3. And
This is real Jadoo.
and not only this, when you turn it over, it turns to
Oh,
8. It turns to 8. So here it comes my last of the magic, and I will press the one here.
You are really a mental.
no,
Oh,
no doubt about it.
I will show you one thing. I will show you. I don't think I find a proper. I'll move it here. I will move it here. It's a matter for the ladies present here. Can you see a diamond?
Vaishnavi, answer.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
Diamond
Yes, sir.
necklace is there. Diamond
Right.
necklace is there. Pearl necklace. Pearl necklace
It's
is
a
there.
pearl, sir.
When I went once to the Hyderabad, my wife asked me pearl necklace. So मैं नकली लेके आ गया जी और नकली से उनको काम चलाया. So and this is the hinky, and I am covering this pearl necklace. I am putting out this from here, taking in my hand. This is a small bag. I am putting the necklace right in the bag. You can see necklace is there.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And this does not look good. Blank does not good look. So I will cover it with this one. And necklace is here. You can see necklace is here. And again, you have to say some abracadabra. Say abracadabra.
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 And the necklace has gone from here. This bag.
Oh,
And where is gone? Again, I am telling you, the time machine, the thing comes from where and goes again there, and see, nothing doing. I am just lifting the bag and the necklace is there.
Good.
Wow.
Nice.
I am doing
Nice.
nothing, necklace is there.
Very nice, sir.
So,
Very good, very good.
now, friends, we will move to a little part of mentalism. So you have to wait and watch closely, and I will try to read your mind. Maybe I am maybe right, I may not be right, but I will try to do something for you. Here, usually I show this on the stage. So since it's a virtual, I cannot tell you, but let me see this in a screw, and this is the part of the screw, and this is the solid one. This is solid, and if you are present, I will give it in your hand. You can check it. You can turn it down. It will not turn and anything. So it will be. You can check it very well. Actually, in the live shows, Arvind Mishra or some might have earlier seen it. And this is a live screw. And I am just keeping it upside here. And now, how the energy? How the space laser?
Sent
I
mail
have a
मध्ये पहा,
space
sent
laser
mail मध्ये दिसते
with
ना
me. I have a space laser with me. This is the space laser. You can see
sent
it,
mail
I think.
मध्ये.
This is the space laser. And
Request all to mute yourself because voice is not clear.
so I have a space laser here. And when I point this space laser to this screw, energy moves a long way to the screw and see what happens. Can you see it moving? Let's say, see? Tell me yes or no.
Yes sir, yes.
Yes, sir.
It's
Yes,
moving.
yes.
Yes,
It's
sir.
moving automatically. The space laser is providing it a good energy, and it has come
Yes.
down. It has come down from up, and it has
मी कार्यक्रमात आहे रे बा, नंतर फोन करतो.
and it has
बोला.
fallen. It is going to fall, and it has fallen itself. You can
Yes.
see it. It has fallen itself. Now I will show you. Once again, I am telling you where the things come, where the things go. So, if this is the fallen screw, I just put it here. And again, point my laser beam towards here and see what happens. It's going up. I don't think it's maybe properly visible to you or not, but it's going up. See,
It's visible.
Yes sir, yes.
Sir, we are able to
it's
see.
going up. The thing came down and now it's going up automatically. Thank you. I have a prediction here. And who is going to be with me?
वैष्णवी.
Vaishnavi
Yeah,
ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Huh. Vaishnavi ma'am, you are there?
Please answer.
Vaishnavi ma'am, is she
Sir,
there?
actually, I'm facing a network issue. That's why.
Okay.
Yes,
Let
yes.
somebody else.
येणार तेलंगरे sir.
Please unmute someone else.
Yes.
Who is Narari sir? Dr.
Meenakshi ma'am?
Narari?
Yes, sir.
Shirish sir.
Shi-
Who is with
Yes,
me?
yes.
Yeah,
Shirish
Shirish
sir.
Narak sir.
Ah,
here.
Shirish sir, I have
Yes.
listened you and
Yes.
thank you very much. It was a good speech. And can you see the cards? All the cards
Yes, sir.
different. All
Yes,
the
sir.
cards are different.
Yes, sir.
Again, I am showing you all the cards are different.
Yes, sir.
So I am going to make a waterfall of these cards, and you have to say me stop at any place, anytime you want. I am going to make a waterfall of these cards and start whenever you want. You can say me stop.
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 Yeah.
Okay. Free choice. You can say it's 5 of hearts.
5 of heart. Yes. Yes,
If you
sir.
could have shown one card more, this would come. And this is the different card.
Yes,
And
sir.
top card is the
King of
King of Hearts. King of Hearts.
Hearts. Yes.
King of Hearts. I am
Yes.
putting it here. King of Hearts in the
बादशाह.
between again and putting all the
Yes.
cards here.
Yes, sir.
I knew that you will stop me at the King Hearts, and I told you I have a prediction here before, and this is my prediction.
Oh my God.
Wow, wow.
It's a free fall choice.
Oh,
It's a free fall choice.
Yes, sir.
And in front of you, I set it in the middle. You say abracadabra,
Abracadabra.
Abracadabra.
abracadabra. I just put it here, and
Yes.
the middle card, the card which was in the middle, automatically comes on the top.
Oh my God.
Thank you, sir.
Wonderful.
Now, this is a little bigger one for the, I think, again, I will interact with Nadkarni sir. Sir,
Yes, sir.
there are many celebrities in the Bollywood.
Yes, sir.
You can see the
Yes,
name
sir.
Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan,
Yes.
Hrithik Roshan,
Hrithik Roshan,
John
John
Abraham,
Abraham, Tiger
And-
Shroff.
Tiger Shroff, and I
Harish
consider
Yadav.
myself. I don't
Yes, you
consider
are
myself
celebrity,
better
sir.
than them.
You are definitely celebrity, sir.
So there are 6 persons. 1, 2,
Yes,
3,
sir.
4, 5, 6.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What you have to do, sir, I am going to make a clap here, and
Yeah.
you have to say me, and I will tell you. I have prediction. This one. This
Yes,
is
sir.
the prediction. This is the prediction. You can watch it here. I will put it on the table. And this is the prediction for this. And what you have to do, sir, when I clap, you have to say me one number between 1 and 6. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Tell me.
5.
5.
5. Yes.
Harish Yadav. 2, 3, 4, 5.
Salman Khan.
Salman Khan.
Yes, sir.
Friends, I told you. I have there is nothing. This is a FDR of my earlier bank, and this is my visiting card,
Yes, sir.
and nothing else is there. This is the only thing here with my visiting card. But you told me number 5, Salman Khan. Since
Yes,
I
sir.
cannot get to these dignitaries, I wrote his
Yes.
name behind my.
Oh my God.
I knew you are going to select Salman Khan, and there is
Yes.
nothing in this, and there is one card only, and the name contains Salman Khan. Since I don't get their visiting cards, I am not able to get. And again, can you bring me one? You can keep it here. And my light is not, actually I am facing the light problem. And you have to bear with me, please bear with me for 1 second. I am facing the light problem, sir.
Yes, sir, of course, definitely.
Yes, sir. Sir, this is a writing pad here, and my hands are blank, and I am putting this, my goggles, my specs here on the platform. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
And when I do a little mentalism, and my hands are far from this my specs, and let me concentrate and see what happens.
Oh,
Oh my God.
wonderful.
Oh my God, wonderful.
This is the mentalism power, sir. This is the power of mentalism. And get your force. Hold on.
Really wonderful.
Thank you. Thank you.
आपने यूरी यूरी गेलर को फेल कर दिया.
Sir, I don't think, since still the light problem is there, I don't think you can see properly or not. But read the first line. Keep calm and watch science fiction.
Yes.
Can you see?
Hmm.
I have made these slips with the elements of the periodic table.
Hmm.
K, potassium, atomic number 19. This is the 63 uridium, E. Again, E, uridium. P, phosphorus, atomic number 15. Calcium, liveronium, manganese. Keep, calm, and gold, neodymium. Tungsten, gold, technetium, hydrogen. And here comes the scandium, iodine, urodium, nitrogen, cesium, and fluorine, iodine, carbon, thallium, oxygen, and nitrogen. Can you see all the names there, sir?
Yes.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
Keep calm and watch science fiction. And you and me are going to play a game. Are you ready to play with me?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
But there are these 24 elements, sir. What you have to do to point out any two slips. You can tell the name of the element or just say it in the line first, second, third, 4, 5, 6 lines that are there. Third slip, fourth slip. You can tell the name if it is not visible, or you can tell. So you have to select any two slips, and I will remove one from there. I will discard one. One will remain here. Then my chance will come. I will put hands on two slips, and you have to discard one. Okay? Can you understand me properly? You will point two slips, any two slips of the out of the 24.
Calcium.
You have to tell me, and you have to calcium and say this is. So I will discard one, then my chance will come, and I will tell any two slips. You will discard one. Again, your slips, your chance will come, and here we can see what we can be left. Again, for that, I have prediction here. It is 24 elements already there. See, it's already there, 24 elements, and it's a written prediction here. So, कौन बनेगा करोड़पति? आपका समय शुरू होता है अब. आप कौन से भी दो स्लिप बताइए, मैं जिन पे आप नाम अपना नाम बताना चाहते हैं.
Students, please answer. Students, answer.
Any one will play. Any one can play. Not all.
Mathematics students may answer.
No problem. No problem. It's not a mathematics, but they can answer. Please. Now the light has come. I think you can see it properly again. And I'll put my code here.
Nameplate, sir. Nameplate. Yes.
Yes. So tell me any two slips. Who is going to play with me?
So can I?
Sure. Anybody is welcome.
Okay, sir. Potassium
yes,
and
sir.
nitrogen.
Which one? Please tell me.
Potassium and nitrogen.
Potassium. K. Where
First,
is the K?
very first,
K and
last one, nitrogen.
last one. K and nitrogen. So I am removing nitrogen from here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now I will point two things. Gold and neodymium. What do you want to remove?
So ND.
ND. Okay, discard it. It's your free choice. It's my free choice. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it was your chance last, or my chance? It was my chance. Now it's your chance. Remember
Yes.
the chance, please.
Yes.
Now tell me two things.
Calcium and cerium.
Calcium and
Cerium is at silence CE.
Ce. Celerium. Calcium, celerium.
Sorry, CE,
Okay.
sir, at the last. So CE.
Oh, okay. Calcium and cerium. Okay, in the last, I will remove the cerium. Okay. Now
sir.
I point these L and Mn, livermonium and manganese. What do you want to discard?
Manganese.
Manganese. Okay, manganese is discarded. Now, point me any two.
So carbon and titanium.
Carbon and
At the last row. It's calcium, sir. In the last row,
sorry,
it
it's
is
carbon. Yes, carbon and
titanium, Ti. Both the two numbers.
acha, titanium.
Sorry, elements.
Thallium. Carbon and thallium. I will remove thallium. Okay. And it's my chance. Tungsten and gold. What do you want to discard?
Tungsten.
Tungsten. It's your chance.
So gold and TC.
Gold. Gold and TC. I'll remove the gold. This is gold.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this gold is removed. It's my chance. Nitrogen and europium.
It's a europium. I would like to leave it.
Okay. Europium is discarded. Now it's your chance.
Iodine and nitrogen.
Iodine and nitrogen. I remove iodine. It's my chance. Scandium and iodine.
Scandium.
Scandium, I remove. It's your chance.
Fluorine and carbon.
Fluorine and carbon. I remove carbon. It's your chance. It's my chance.
Your
sorry.
chance, sir.
It's my chance. Fluorine and oxygen. No, you have removed, no? So it's your chance. It's your chance.
It's your chance.
Yeah? You have removed.
It's
no?
your chance.
You have removed, so it will be.
So you have
It's my chance.
removed.
Okay.
Yes,
I
it's
ask
your
you for
chance now.
fluorine and oxygen. Fluorine and oxygen.
Oxygen.
Oxygen, I will discard it. It's your chance.
Sir, potassium at the first place and calcium.
Potassium, I remove it. Calcium is there. Calcium and livermonium. What do you want to remove?
Calcium.
Calcium. And there are two europium. Which one to left or right? This one or this one?
So left one.
This one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it's your chance.
So eurobium and P.
Europium and P. I remove potassium.
Okay, sir.
It's my chance. Fluorine and iodine.
Fluorine.
Fluorine. Your chance.
So eurobium and iodine.
This one, uranium and
europium
iodine.
and
I
iodine.
remove uranium. It's my chance. Iodine and nitrogen.
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen, we discard nitrogen. It's your chance.
So TC and I.
TC
What is
and I.
remaining?
I want only TC is there. I is there. Yeah, 4 are remaining only. And it's my chance. Iodine and gold.
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 Sorry.
So it's your chance.
Yes, sir.
No, it's
It's
my
my-
chance. It's my chance, I think.
Yes,
You have
yes.
removed,
Yes.
It's my chance. Iodine and livermonium.
Iodine.
Iodine. So in the last, you are having livermonium and hydrogen proposal. Okay?
Yes,
It's
sir.
my chance to remove. I remove livermonium.
Okay, sir.
Only hydrogen is left. Out of
Harshad bhai.
24 elements, we have played very fairly. Out of 24 elements, we have played very fairly. And watch, I am doing nothing. 24 elements. Okay? So I am removing this 24 elements from here. And there is only one slip here, nothing else.
Oh,
Wow. Wonderful, wonderful.
I knew it from the beginning that you will, hydrogen will remain. And why? Do you know why? I forced you mentally. That is, whose show it is? My name, what is my name?
Harish
Harish.
Yadav.
It starts with H, and I mentally forced you to select H.
And answered by Harshada.
even my name is Harshada Pathak.
And
Matter of
I think it's 1 hour complete. Do you want to continue or tell me, wind it up at your end? I have 1 hour full show minimum. Whatever, if you want to continue or you can turn over. And
please
I want to
continue,
show
sir.
you-
Please continue.
I'm going to show you some good things which I like. So I asked Dr. Navle, someone with a paper of the 16.1 to 16. Who has
Yes,
this paper? Who has
Students are
this
ready.
paper?
Mathematics students are being requested to show the papers. Vaishnavi, Harshada, other students.
Please put on someone whom I can see, who will play with me. This is
Meenakshi
a
ma'am.
very good, this is going to be a very good thing, and simply mathematics students, it's a must see item, I think. It's a favorite item of mine if they play it well. Nobody is
Anyone
there?
among you have the sheets? Please don't hesitate.
Nobody having. So if some of you has a A4 size paper, you can make it immediately. Please make it immediately, A4 size papers. So do like this one. Do like this what I am telling you. Take a A4 paper, fold it from the between. Arshada ma'am, she has gone to take paper, I think. Yes, fold it between, again fold it, and again fold it. There will be 16 parts automatically. Have you fold it? Actually, what happens, Dr. Navle, this makes a little extra time for the show. And I requested you earlier, if some people must be there with the paper and other things also. No problem. Have you done? Nobody is doing this?
Just a
Yes,
second.
they are doing, sir.
Yeah, they are doing it. Make numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It's going to take a little time, but I think you will remember it for a long time. Kalpesh ji, you might have seen it. You have done it. Done?
It's completed.
Completed. Madam, it's 16 squares are there. Now what I ask you to fold the paper any way you want from the 16 folds. You can start halfway here. You can start halfway horizontally. You can start fold here. You can fold inside. You can fold outside. Whatever you like, please make folds. So there will be 16 squares automatically. Whatever, in which way you want, just hide the numbers and fold it in from the line, numbers line. Fold it anyway, inside, outside, first this
So
side.
can I
or
fold it from the corner?
Beg your pardon?
Can I fold it from the corner?
No, it's how you can fold it from the corner. You have to fold it in half first thing, then you have to fold in half again. So this way you may put it this way, or you may put it other way also. Then you have to fold in half. You may put it this way, you may put it in other way, or you may fold in the this vertical, and there is also this way or this way. You can put it any way. You can fold paper. There were 16 parts there, so you can fold it any way as you like.
So how
Done.
many times do you have to fold it?
I am telling you, this is the 16.
Just 16.
Say. For you, I am folding my paper. 1, 2, 3, 4. There will be automatic 16 parts. So
Yes.
you can fold. So you can fold it's this way. You can fold it this way. The numbers will be different everywhere. If you fold it anyway, the numbers will be different. The position of numbers will change. The way you fold, the position of numbers will change automatically. Okay.
Yes.
What you have to do right now, this is a folded paper, and you say you have folded it this way, this way, this way. And again, I don't think if you have a scissor, someone or not, but
Yes.
I have a scissor here with me. Just cut from all the corners, all the 4 sides, little bit, so no paper is attached with each other. This way, cut this way, cut this way, and in last cut this way. So no paper is being attached with other paper. Okay, have you cut?
Just a second, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
now you have a sheet of papers, and now you have to be careful. From the very first sheet, I have the first sheet. This is the blank. You have to separate 2 sheets. There, one is blank, one is written with the number. If there is a blank side up, you have put to the blank side. Then there is a written number, say whatever number it was, maybe. So you have put it the number side. Don't make any confusion about this. This is a written number side. This will go to the number side. This is a blank side. This will go to the blank side. Again, this is a blank side. This will. If your paper is not cut properly, please cut it and put it in the serial. Otherwise, that will not work.
So there are 16 sheets in total, right?
There are 16 sheets in total. It's not necessary that half will be there or half will be there. There may be any sheets, number of sheets here and there also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So just put in 2 ways: number side and plain side. Number side, plain side. Serially keep counting from there. Keep counting from there. And don't make a mistake and make 2 stacks of the paper.
So I have to arrange them in serial order.
No, don't arrange. Just put as it comes, put in the way. जिसपे कुछ छपा हुआ है एक तरफ रखिए, खाली है एक तरफ रखिए, छपा हुआ है उधर रखिए, छपे हुए पे खाली है खाली पे रखिए. ठीक है?
Yes,
रख लिया
sir.
आपने? रख लिया? अब आप
Yes,
दोनों में से of which any you want, छपा हुआ या खाली, you have to select any one of your choice. कौन सा ले रहे हैं?
Plain paper.
प्लेन पेपर. ओके,
Yes.
प्लेन पेपर्स को आप रिवर्स कर लीजिए और जितने भी नंबर उन पे लगे हुए होंगे, नीचे की तरफ नंबर होंगे उन पे, ऊपर नहीं दिख रहे हैं, नीचे होंगे, है ना?
Yes.
उनको आप सीरियली काउंट कर लीजिए, सबका नंबर का टोटल करिए प्लीज. थोड़ा सा चाहे तो कागज पे लिख के कर लें, गलती नहीं हो. If you done it right, madam, you will remember this show, this item very long time. I guarantee you. And if you have totaled all the slips, you can tell me the total.
Just a second, sir.
No problem. If anybody else is also doing, he may also tell me.
Yes,
total.
60.
You have done something wrong. You
Okay.
have done something wrong. No problem. Anybody has done else?
So mine is also 60.
No, you have make a mistake. No problem. If you try it again, you will do one. The total will always come 68. If you try it again, try at your home, the total will come 68. Whatever the total, this I told you. Otherwise, you should have told me 68. Can you see the 68 here, ma'am? Anything in this square? Can
So
you 68
please
see
put
your
it-
number? Your number is 68. Can you see me?
No, sir, there is
No. Actually, why can't you see? I will tell you the story of a TC flight. Do you know
Yes,
what
sir,
is
it is 68.
Yes, fine. That's fine. Who is there?
Dr. Nisha Raghav.
Dr. Nisha Raghav, I appreciate you and I clap for you and I bow for you. You have done it very right. So, ma'am, what is the number? You have told me the 68. And can you see your number here in this blank space, in this square?
Yes.
Can you see or not?
Yes, visible.
No. You can see the blank square, but where is your number? You can see 68.
68 is not visible.
Not visible.
68 is not there now.
No.
11, 8, 47, 2. I don't think there is any 68. You
No.
can see it. Okay,
Yes,
there is
no.
no 68. I know why you can't see the 68. Because you must have heard the story of TC fly. TC fly is a fly found in the South Africa,
Yeah.
and it infects insomnia disease in the
Yes, insomnia.
humans as well as in the animals. But the TC fly never bites any zebra because there are so many crisscross lines. The scientists yet do not know why the TC fly do not attack zebra. It attacks humans, it attacks other people. There are many cross lines. So there are many cross lines. You are not able to see 68. But if you see with my eyes, there is always 68. 11, 8, 47, 2. Total it.
Addition
It's
of it.
68. It's 68.
Right.
2, 7, 9, 9, 18 and 58 is 68. Here, 53 and 63 and 65 is 68.
Addition of each line is 68. Yes.
Each line is not only each line.
Yes. Crisscross also.
11,
square,
8,
yes,
41,
magic square.
48, 68.
Yeah.
6, 9, 53 is 68.
Yes.
And 4, 49, 10 is 68. Not only this, 2, 12, 14, and 19, and 5 is 68. 11,
Wonderful.
12, 16, and 50 is 68. And in last, this 1, 2, 4, 9. There is everywhere 68. Why you can't see it?
Sir, it is magic square.
Magic, it's the magic square. It is known as the magic square, and we can put it in many ways. Magic square can be shown in many ways. And that's why I insisted the maths person should be there. Now, I'll proceed with someone that what you might have seen. I'll try to pinpoint your pin number. Who will going to play with me? Anybody who is going to play with me?
Dr. Shakun,
Anybody?
Mohammed.
It does not
Yes,
require
sir.
anything.
Meenakshi
Who is
ma'am,
going to play with me?
Yes, sir.
Dr.
Dr.
Shakun is
Shakun?
here.
Yes,
Dr.
sir.
Shakun is there?
Yes, sir.
Dr. Shakun, I welcome you.
Thanks, sir.
I was a
Please start
banker.
your-
I was a banker, and suppose your video is not visible. Yes, now you are visible to me. Good evening, Dr. Shakun.
Good evening,
And
sir.
I was a banker, and suppose you are a banker also, and we had to generate a 4-digit PIN number for ATM of Dr. Navle. Okay. So what you have to think, there are 4 fingers, 1 thumb. Only 4 fingers are there. You can turn down any number of fingers and keep any number of fingers upside. You can keep 1, you can put 2, 3, 4, all the 4. 1 to 4. Okay. Don't show me. Don't tell me. Just you at when I say drop down your numbers, you can drop down 1, 2, 3, 4 and keep whatever you want upwards. Okay. Don't show me. Don't tell me. Your time starts now. When you are done, tell me. You're done.
Have you understood, Shakun, the question?
Out
Yes,
of the
sir.
4 fingers, you have to turn down any number of fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Start. Shall we start? What?
Yes, sir.
Whatever number of fingers are up. Whatever number of fingers are up, just add 1 to create our first digit of the pin. Keep in your mind, or you can write down it sidewise. Whatever number of finger was there up there, you can add 1.
Okay.
Okay. You can remember it also. It's not a big thing.
Yes, sir.
Others can remember. Okay. Done.
Done.
Okay. Now to this digit, add 2. This will be your second digit.
Okay.
Okay. From this digit, deduct 1. This will be your third digit.
Detect 1.
Deduct 1. This will
Deduct
be your
1.
third.
Okay.
This will be your third digit.
Okay.
And again add 2 to the last digit. This will be your fourth digit. Again, I repeat, to avoid the confusion, there may be any number of fingers there. Whatever number of fingers was there, to create first digit, you have to add 1. To create second digit, you have to add 2 to the consecutive number. Then you have to minus 1 number, and in last you have to again add number 1, so in 2 to the final figure. Okay. You have now 4-digit pin number with you.
Yes.
You have 4-digit pin number.
Yes.
I don't know whatever number, what was it or what is it is. You are not shown me. You are not told me anything.
Yes.
Done? Anna? Okay. Ma'am, look towards my eyes. Look towards my eyes and let me read your mind. You have done very well. Is it any 3 in it?
Yes.
Yes.
Is it 3 in it? Okay. Let me concentrate more. Keep counting in your mind. 3, 5, 4, 6, 3, 5, 4, 6, 3, 5, 4, 6.
Correct.
Correct.
Yes.
Good.
You have not told me anything. You have not told me not a single word. And I correctly guessed the pin generated for the Dr. Navle. Dr. Navle, keep your predictions. You keep your ATM pin changed. Otherwise, I will take.
Really wonderful. Really.
now I want to teach. So since we are going to be near sum up, though we have very, very good things here, but I don't think you people might be bored or something else.
No, sir, please take your time. Take your time.
Okay. So I am going to teach you something. Do you want to learn?
Yes.
Do you want to?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I am going to teach you something. I have one prediction here. Okay. Ma'am, though it's not good to ask the age of the ladies, but can you tell me your year of birth?
1962.
1962. means 38 and this is 21. So you are 59 years?
Yes.
Yes, 59. Okay. What was your year of marriage?
1988.
1988. You remember it well. Otherwise, if I could have asked this question to some gentleman, he will think, oh, no, I don't. He will think twice. So gentlemen, you have to think. And so again, it's 12 and 21. 33. Okay, you are married for 33 years.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am, I don't know your personal biodata, and we are meeting for the first time. If you allow me to
Yes.
total this 2 and 9, 11 and 8, 19 and 3, 22, 2 and 6, 8, 5, 13 and 8, 21 and 3, 4, take 2, 9, 11, 9, 0, 2, 3, 4. Is it correct? Can you check this total is correct?
4042. Correct.
4042.
Okay.
Ma'am, I told, and there is one slip, nothing else is there,
Yes.
and we are meeting first time, and
Yes.
I don't know anything about you.
Meeting for the second time, but don't know about me. Very nice, sir.
So this is 4042.
Exactly.
Correct. Correct.
Do you want to learn this? Do you want to learn this? Anybody?
Yes, sir.
So what you have to do, nothing else, come to the present year. This is 2021. You double it and write in as a prediction. What is the present year? Whatever may be the present year, double it and write as your prediction. So 2021 ka double 4042. Write it as your prediction. Keep it in an envelope. Put it here. Okay. Then you ask anything. You can ask what was the year of the Independence Day, what was the Gandhi's birthday. But asking the personal question will make you more a good mentalist. So ask first ever, what is the year of birth? I don't have to anything with the month. Okay, it's September 92 or something. No. Completed years 1962. Then next question, remember my words. Next question should be, how many years have passed? How many years passed? So when we count the number years of past, we come to this 38 and 21. We count also the present year also. So it becomes 59. 59 years have passed. Confirm that from the participant. Next, ask any damn question as per the choice of the participant. It may be a student, so you don't have to ask what was the year of marriage. You can ask what was your year of secondary year or anything, or what is the year of your sister or year of birth, or anything, any damn thing. So when you ask the second question, this question total comes to 2021. When you ask the second question, you are married 1998. Again, how many years have passed? 33 years passed. 1988 and 33 becomes 2021. And both of these 2021 come to 4042.
Very nice.
Very simple mathematics. Very simple mathematics. You can write and tell anybody else. And now I will try to mind read all of you. All of you, please think a number between 1 and 9. Please think any number between 1 and 9 in your mind. You are so many, I think here 35 participants are there at present. So you can think any number in your mind. You can think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, whatever you want. Okay, done, Dr. Navle?
Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
thought?
please.
Have you thought? I am going to play with you now. And
Yes.
think any number. Okay. Now, you have to multiply that number by 9. Multiplied. Any
Yes,
number
sir.
between single digit number between 1 and 9. Multiply that number by 9. Multiplied?
Yes, sir.
They are
Yes,
two
sir.
digits. They are two digits.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Add both of them. There is a single digit. Have you added?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now deduct 5 from here.
Yes.
You have come to one number. One digit number is there.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
If it is 1, listen. If it is 1, convert it to English alphabet A. If it is 2, convert to English alphabet B. If it is 3, convert it to C, and so on. Whatever number is there. Convert English
Yes.
alphabet. Converted?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now you have one English alphabet in your mind. You can think of any name of any country starting from that alphabet. There are thousands of countries in the world, and you have to think of any country starting from that alphabet only. It should be country, it should not be a capital. Okay? Done, Dr. Navle, or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Done. Okay, I am playing with you, Dr. Navle, and let others follow. And you have thought of any country? I don't know what you have thought. Whatever the country's name, the second alphabet, think of any animal from that second alphabet, and it should be an animal.
Yes.
Done.
Yes,
Vaishnavi
sir.
ma'am looks same. She has lost somewhere. And okay, okay, done. So I think there are so many participants here, and besides Dr. Navle, many others may be doing this. And I think what I guess, I have not asked you anything. I have not asked you anything. Okay, and let me guess, you are right. You are thinking in the right way, but there is a little mistake. Elephants are not found in Denmark.
Yes, sir. Same.
Wonderful, wonderful,
Same.
wonderful.
Same. Mr.
This
Mirza
is
says
special,
same.
special.
Thanks, Mr. Mirza.
Same, sir. Denmark and elephant. Same.
so this is again a simple maths rule, and if you want to learn this also, I will tell you. I am coming on the learning part. If you want to learn it, I will tell you. Give me the slate, please. Give me the slate and wipe it out. You can. This is the chamatkar of 9. Mathematics students, this is the chamatkar of 9. Whatever number you think, 1 to 9, when you multiply it 9, the all resultant number will be having a total of 9.
Yes, sir.
9 is to 9, 189. I ask you to add the 2 digits, 279, it becomes 9, 36 become 9. So all the numbers from 0, 1 to 9, all numbers come to 9 only. Okay, this is the fixed consonant. And now I asked you to deduct 5 from here, and you came to 4. I had to brought you 4. सभी को 4 पे आ गए. Almost all the people, what they might think as any digit number, सभी लोग आप लोग 4 पे आ गए. Now what I said next, listen carefully. The wordings are very typical. Think of any, convert it from the alphabet. 1 is to A, 2 is equal to B, 3 is equal to C, and don't go further this. Don't go. You have to stop at 3. I know you, all of you are thinking of 4. So I know you will convert 4 is to D automatically. I don't have to tell you. Okay. So you have to stop at 3 only. 1 is to A, 2 is to B, 3 is to C, and they will stop. They will convert D. Okay. Now what I say, think of any country in the world starting with the D. There are thousands of countries. But in fact, friends, there are only 3 countries in the world which start with D. There are only 3 countries. The first with common in all our mind is Denmark. And there are 2 countries which represented this. Dominic, if you remember Olympic, Dominic was there. Dominic is a very small country and it fetched a gold for the first time. Dominic is a very small country. So Dominic is there. So nobody remembers, only 4 or 5 times And so I have shown it 1,000 times. Only 4 or 5 people tell me Germany. Otherwise, they always come to Denmark. And when they come to Denmark, the next E. I ask you to think of an animal. And since our childhood, E for elephant, A for apple, B for boy, C for D, E for elephant, we are learning. So you automatically come to Denmark and elephant and the lice. The relevation is also good. Relevation depends how you tell them. So instead of just simply telling you have selected come to Denmark elephant, what I told you, I said you a sentence. You had think correctly, but there is a little mistake is there. Elephants are not found in Denmark. As soon as you say this, those who have selected the Denmark and elephant, they will laugh automatically and you will come to know that you are correct. So friends, and I think I must end now. It's 8:30, going to be 2 hours, quarter 2 hours. And so, and before I end up, I am going to show you one thing, and I have this box here. This wooden box is here. You see, a little box here. This box is empty. You can see this box is empty. Okay, this box is here, and nothing is there. And I am putting it and closing this and putting it in the box this way, and closing the box. And I have a lock also to this box, but I'm not going to choose shortage of time. So I will do, instead of this, I will just wrap it with this thread. I will wrap it with the thread. A empty box is there, thread is there, and before I end up, I Dr. Arvind Mishra, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have learned a lot of things from you, and you are a master of science fiction, so I am directly going to interact with you. I have written 15 science fiction genera here: time travel, ET, apocalyptic, teleportation, mutants, horror, mind control, zombie, superhero, telepathy, steampunk, robots, cyberpunk, aliens, dystopians.
Yes.
You can see, sir, all the
Yeah. It's visible.
visible. Sir, there are the 16 genera of science fiction are there.
Okay.
What you have to do, think of any one genre in your mind.
Yeah.
Don't tell me.
Okay.
Okay, you have selected one genre for yourself, sir.
Yeah. Selected.
Sir, I will try to read your mind. Is there any T there? The
T.
genre you have selected it names bears any T. You have selected one name. It has a T or not?
Yes. That has T.
It has a.
Yes.
It has a P.
Yes.
It has an E. Does it have E for elephant? Tell me.
Yeah.
It has E. Okay. And
Yeah.
does it have L? L for lion?
No.
No. And I have asked you only 3-4 questions, and you have not told me anything. But sir, you are very fond of steampunk, I think.
Yeah, that's correct.
That's correct.
Wonderful.
And now, Dr. Srinari is there. Dr. Srinari? He's gone for the tea, I think. Okay. Who else is going to play with me? Harshad.
Yasir,
Harshada
Yasir.
name?
Yes, sir.
Harshada
Yes,
name?
sir.
Harshada
Yasir,
name?
sir, Yasir.
Yasir sir. Yasir sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you are very good. Yasir sir, I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 books names of the science fiction. You can see
Okay, sir.
Aliens in Delhi by Sami Ahmed Khan. Can you see it?
Yes, sir. Yes.
There is a
Visible.
Magic and Mentalism in Science Fiction by Harish Yadav. This is the
Yes,
coming
sir.
book. Then there is a Shiva trilogy by Amish Tripathi. You
Okay,
might
sir.
have heard it. Then there is The Lawyer's View, Kashan Mehta. Lawyer's View, Kashan Mehta is there. The Return of Vaman, the famous book by Jayant Narlikar sir. Return of
Yes.
Vaman. And there is the Diary of a Space Traveler by Satyajit Ray, the very first of the Indian science fiction writers, Satyajit Ray. There
Oh,
are 6 books there. Okay,
yes, sir.
you had to select any one name in your mind, any one book
Okay, sir. Selected.
selected, and you had to play with carefully.
Yes.
What I tell you that where name is written, this is the face side up. We show these as a cards also, but this I have converted for science fiction. So this is the face side, and where lining is there, this is the blank side, face down side. Can you
Yes.
see the lines?
Yes, sir.
Where name is written, it is the face up. Where no name is written, lines are there, it is face down. Okay, you follow me correctly?
Yes.
Now you choose any name in your mind of any book. Chosen?
Yes, sir. Chosen.
Chosen. What you have to do is move up or down. Face up, face up. You have to move face up. फेस अप में वाले कॉलम में आपको जाना है, या आप ऊपर जा सकते हैं या नीचे आ सकते हैं.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay, if it is not visible, please tell me. ठीक है,
Visible. Yes. Yes.
visible. Okay, आप जहां पे आ गए वहां ध्यान रखिए, आप फेस डाउन में कौन से खाने पाए हैं. Okay, from
Yes.
you have come. Now you have to go to face down, left or right. You can move left or right. You have to go face down.
Okay, sir. Done.
Done. Now you have to go face up.
Yes, sir. Done.
I think I have not followed. I follow. There is some mistake there. We start with the face up. Any face up. You start with any face up. Okay. You
Yes,
start
sir.
any face up.
Yes.
Up and down. Face down आ जाइए. Up and down करके
Okay.
face down आ जाइए. Left
Okay,
right
sir.
करके face up पे आ जाइए. Left right करके face up पे आगे.
Yes. आगे, sir.
आगे. अब now you have to move diagonally. Face up or down. Face down. You have to move diagonally to go to any face down.
Sir, the chart is not completely visible. Yes, sir. I have
Okay.
face down.
And in the last, you have go to face up.
Yes, sir.
Face up. If you have followed
Yes.
my instructions properly,
Yes, sir. I have.
I think you are thinking of my book,
Magic and mentalism, right?
Magic and Mentalism Science Fiction.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Is
sir.
that correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you. And here
Thank you, sir.
comes
Thank you.
And here comes my last item. And I am opening this box. And you can see that I am not doing nothing here. And this, I am opening this box, and here is nothing else. And one box, all the sides, 4 sides closed. And there were no slip here. You saw me, I told you it is a blank. But now,
completely blank. Yes.
with my mental power, I have written a slip is there.
Oh,
Yes.
It is a complete
wonderful,
box,
wonderful.
and And the end trick is always kicker. This has C. C for celebrity. Someone will choose Salman Khan. I written it already. Someone will choose Salman Khan.
हाँ
Here is elephants.
जी
And H is there. Hydrogen will remain.
जी बताइए
And pin of Dr. Navle, which I have no clue. Dr. Navle's pin is 3546. This
Wonderful.
I written in the beginning.
हाँ
So here comes our end of the today's show, and it's 2 hours. And with core of my heart, I thank first of all to Dr. Navle, and again to all the organizing members and all the participants. Right now there are 32 participants. I thank you one and all of you for being here. And इसे कहते हैं कि मेरे को झेलने के लिए आपने यहाँ बैठे रहे.
No, sir, really.
And I thank you again, once and again, Dr.
Thank you, Hari sir.
Sri Narahari sir, Arvind Mishra sir, Dr. Manoj Koteria sir, and Dr. Deshpande sir, and all the dignitaries who are present there, and all my dear friends who have seen my show. And if you have seen my show and if you like it, I have a website there, and you can just watch harishadhav.in. My website is there, so you can watch my updates there. You can see my there. You can like that. And I will like to tell you, I am a Google local guide of level 8. And whenever I go visit some places, some restaurant thing, I update it on the Google. And you will wonder, my views of the photos, what I uploaded is over 4 million, 40 lakhs, over 40 lakhs people have viewed my
That's amazing.
photos. So this is my another hobby. And good evening, friends. Thanks all. Over to Dr. Navle, please.